Hello, guys. This is Professor Sam 2025. I want to teach you English, French, and Kinyarwanda. Just visit my YouTube channel, which is Professor Sam 2025. So, this time I want us to start with English, how we greet in English. If you want to greet someone in the morning, say good morning in English. If he's a male, say good morning, sir. If it is a female, good morning, madam. So, even in French, it is the same. In French, we say bonjour. We say bonjour. If it's a male, we say monsieur. So we say bonjour, monsieur. If it's a female, we say madame. So we say bonjour, madame. But here in Kinyarwanda, it's a bit challenge, or it's a bit different because we say mwaramutse. Even if it is female or male, we still say mwaramutse. So, if you say mwaramutse, it's general like bonjour or good morning. But if you add there nyakubawa, means if you say mwaramutse nyakubawa, it means like good morning, sir. Good morning, madam. Or bonjour, monsieur. Bonjour, madam. So it's the same. So I want you to show me that you're interested, and I proceed. And I teach you what you don't know. So keep on visiting this website, YouTube channel. Sorry, keep on visiting it. You will get more and more and good things there. Make sure you subscribe. Thank you.